my god, guys. Hey! Okay, I haven't been here in a while. Don't mind my windows open. Sorry, there's like something on my screen. Anyway, guys, hey, how's it going? Today I'm having boneless wings, which I should go get a fork. So, how are you guys doing? Today I made homemade boneless chicken and homemade fries in the oven. So these are potatoes, just russet potatoes, and these are covered in flour. This is buffalo, regular, and barbecue. And then to drink I have a rosé. So I'm actually gonna put that on the table. I've got a whole thing of ranch, and then I've got mayo, ketchup, and honey mustard for my fries because I really didn't know what I wanted. So, guys, let's try this. They're good. I love mayo. Like, I feel like I could be incarnated British. Because of how much I love mayo. I forgot a napkin. Whatever. Alright. So this is buffalo, homemade boneless wings, and ranch. So how are y'all doing? It's been a while. I've been getting ready for the wedding. Seriously, that's all I've been doing. Watching YouTube. Wanting to make a video. But I'm just like really busy every weekend. There's something going on. But we're back for right now. Barbecue. So, I did this because it was a lot of work. I got home at like 5:45. It's 7:30. But basically, a Wingstop opened up near me. Like, close. However, I went 3 times, tried to go 3 times. And each time that I went, they were closed. Like, the lock was on the door. And then I read the 3rd time, someone had COVID. So, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna make it. This is, basically, what's the word? Basically inspired by Lizzie Lou. She did a, homemade Wingstop video. So it's like inspired by her. I love buffalo sauce. That's just Hidden Valley. So yeah. How have you guys been? I hope well. I'm watching The Circle on Netflix. Has anybody watched that? Comment below. I've been watching that yesterday and today. I have to watch episode 8. But I've seen the full first season, and now the second season I'm on episode 8. I love it. It reminds me of last year quarantine. So last year I was unemployed this time of year. And yeah. Watching The Circle and Too Hot to Handle. They seriously couldn't have planned those shows better. Not that they knew COVID was gonna happen, but you know, it was like a perfect binge show. But The Circle's one of those where they only release like 4 episodes at a time. But I forgot napkins. Chicken's really good. So I cut up chicken breast. Egg, flour, fried it for like, ambulance. Then fried it for like 8-10 minutes, something like that, until it got golden brown. And they're like perfect. They're all really good. I can't pick a favorite. I'm glad I did all 3. You guys can hear literally everything outside. This is how I live, okay? I live on a busy ass fucking road. It's a pain in my ass. Whatever. When the windows close, you can't really hear as much. You can still hear like sirens and big diesel trucks. But I have water. Look at this cute cup my friend made me. You probably can't read it because this is backwards. It says plantaholic, one who can't control the urge to buy more plants they don't need. She made this for me. I love it. It's one of my fave cups. I have another one, Target, from another friend that I use all the time. I got my nails done. They're pink. I had my bridal shower yesterday. Sunday. Today's Tuesday, by the way. And got my nails done Saturday. I've been growing them out. Probably just shit on my hand. Because my wedding is in 6 weeks, y'all. Shook. Truly shook. I don't know if I talked about this, but I'm vaccinated. Like fully vaccinated. So I'm really excited about my wedding. Last one. I think this will be my last bite. I have some fries left. But they're really good. Like, they're coated in seasoning. And they got, like, crispy. But, oh my god, my glass. So I got these glasses at my bridal shower. Crate and Barrel white wine glasses. And I'm obsessed with them. Like, look how cute they are. I don't know if you see my last ones, my last wine glasses. They were short and stubby, like IKEA glasses that were more like red wine glasses because they were a little bit more curved. This is rosé. We're trying different rosés to have at our wedding because we have to supply all the alcohol. So we're going through and trying different brands and seeing what we like best. And I actually really like that one. I couldn't even tell you which one it was. I didn't even look, to be honest. But anyway, guys, I'm so glad that I made a video. I really wanted to for so long. I've even like stopped like commenting. Like, I'm just like so lame now. But anyway, guys, if you really like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.